actually in the staging area setting up for Rolling Thunder. Got some definitely seasoned riders here. Hello guys, where you guys from?
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
Yeah.
Wisconsin.
Maryland.
Maryland. You went a long ways to get here.
I did. It was hard.
And I understand you guys are leading this parade?
Yes, we are. With the gold stars and the blue stars.
The gold stars, the blue stars, love it.
Yeah.
We're going to follow you on YouTube
Okay.
and put it up, so look forward to seeing you there.
I will be looking forward.
You got it.
All right.
Thank you, sir. We love our president.
Yes, we do.
You guys look great. We'll see you in the video to lead this thing off.
All right, on.
As we walk down, we are checking out the bikes here. I got a funny feeling this beautiful looking USA bike is this gentleman right here. Is that your bike, sir?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Somerset, Kentucky.
Kentucky.
Yeah.
Check out his motorcycle. Beautiful. Check out the rider. How long you been riding?
Oh gosh, all my life.
Oh, wow.
I'm a teenager.
Since a teenager.
Oh, yeah.
Love the bike. Love the bike. Check out the shoes for my Captain Jim. Trump shoes. Love it. Great looking bike. So follow along with these guys. We got the Marines here. Hello, sir. Where you from?
Chicago by way of Canada.
Chicago by way of Canada. That works.
I just took a shortcut. Made
Shortcut.
a turn, made a shortcut.
Great looking bike.
Thank you.
Love the Marines.
Me too.
And a Red Robin here.
Air Force.
Air Force.
Thank you.
Riding for the vets.
Yes.
Another beautifully decorated bike. Of course, it's a Honda. Love the Hondas. Another Goldwing, just like the Yellowbird. So come join us, everybody. We will be here for the kickoff of Rolling Thunder. Try to get it all on video for you. Great looking Harleys. Great people here in Rolling Thunder.